In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily remove choices in Google Forms, all within just 5 minutes. It's a simple process, but one that can be really effective if you're looking to tailor your forms more specifically to your needs or limit responses. To get started, the first thing you want to do is navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you might need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're in Google Drive, take a moment to observe the interface if you aren't familiar with it. This is where all your Google related documents and applications can be found. Next, look for the apps icon. Clicking here will open up the application menu where you can find all Google apps at your disposal. We're particularly interested in Google Forms today, so go ahead and click on it. If you haven't used Google Forms before, this could be a good time to explore its features a bit. With Google Forms open, select the form you wish to edit. This will bring you to the main design interface where you can see all the questions and options you've created previously. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct form, especially if you manage multiple forms. Now, focus your attention on the add-ons, which are additional tools you can use with Google Forms. Click on Add-on to open up a menu of different functionalities you can integrate with your form. Look for and select the Form Choice Limiter, Limit, or Choice Eliminator. These are common plugins used to manage responses and set limits on choices within Google Forms. Once you've selected the appropriate add-on, click Configure. This will prompt you to set up the parameters for how choices will be removed or limited in your form. Consider what limits you want to place, such as allowing only a specified number of responses per option to ensure you accurately achieve your intended outcome. After configuring these settings, you'll need to save them. Click Save to finalize your setup for this add-on. This is an essential step because it ensures that all the changes you have made are applied to the form. For the final steps, it's crucial to apply limits to choices. By clicking on the add-on menu again, you'll want to select Choice Eliminator X, Choice Limit and Form Limiter. Click on Start to begin setting specific limits for each option by entering your desired limits and clicking Save once more. Now your Google form is set up to automatically remove choices once they reach their predefined quota. This concludes the process of removing choices from your Google form. By following these steps, you can keep your forms organized and manage responses more effectively. Whether you're using this for event planning, surveys, or any other purpose, your form will now gather data exactly the way you need it to. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial